Hi, I'm Kurt. Raindrop. Everything finely and clearly distorted, reflecting rare absolute, absorbing mirroring photons, impersonated a minuscule source of light, a cursory moment in a cycle exactly as old as life itself. Point nines extended to arm's length. Its purity validates the struggle for life. Its moments of perfection are tenuous, yet some will hesitate long enough to cause pause. In those who can see, those that resist at the eaves on frozen crystals, hold tiny picture windows that frame young, impatient, freckled faces with dreaming eyes. Inside that small sensation, a seed of dust, not unlike a grain of pearl, sets into motion the magic of physics of the infant alakazam. Behold the raindrop. I like that one.